In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add automatic speech, also known as text-to-speech, to your PowerPoint presentation. This is a great way to make your slides more engaging, especially if you want your audience to hear your content as they watch. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure it's ready. We're going to add the text-to-speech feature to your slides. Now click the File tab at the top left corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and select Options to open the PowerPoint Options window. In the Options window, look at the left side and click Quick Access Toolbar. This section lets you add useful commands that you can access quickly. At the top, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Popular Commands. Click it and change it to All Commands. This will show every command available in PowerPoint. Now scroll through the list until you find Speak. Once you find it, click it, then press the Add button. This will move the Speak command to your Quick Access toolbar. Click OK to close the window. Now you have the Speak button ready to use. Next, go to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Draw a text box on your slide and type any sentence you want PowerPoint to read aloud. Highlight the text you want to be read, then click the Speak button in your Quick Access toolbar. If everything is set up correctly, your computer will read the text out loud. And that's it. You've successfully added and tested text-to-speech in PowerPoint. This feature is great for accessibility and gives your presentation a more professional feel.
This the test box.
And that's how you add automatic speech to PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.